I'd love to hear a little bit more about, Tech Data's value proposition, how you're positioning yourselves in the industry, why partners are choosing you, and what you guys bring to the table, if you wouldn't mind sharing.
Sure. Tech Data as a traditional distributor was doing that sort of vendor-aligned product pricing and availability. That was the traditional distribution model. But in the next generation solution space, you're taking other things into consideration, challenges that both the partner and the end customer have around managing the consumption and the subscriptions, educating and upskilling your team, marketing effectively, having the right sales conversations. And instead of talking about speeds and feeds, you're truly taking a solutions and outcome focus. So I think the way that we're built really helps support partners in that way. We have something called the practice builder methodology, and we use this across verticals and solution areas. The practice builder approach basically takes an organizational level assessment of any gaps that a partner may have in building out a practice, in this case specific to Microsoft Cloud. And we identify those gaps around strategy development, sales and enablement, training, types of marketing and events that you're doing, and operations and processes, and also platform capabilities within your company. We address what those challenges are. We use resources and consultants within our company and the stakeholders at our partners' companies to address what those challenges are and build out a successful practice over a sort of agile sprint methodology. We do have a coaches community as well that lets partners sort of speak with coaches across different solutions focus areas, across different verticals, and also across different lines of business within each one of those. So you might have an operations or a sales or a technical expert available to you to talk about challenges you might be having in any specific area, so they can help address those and then take action on those issues and connect you with another coach or allow you to have another call with that same one. If the practice builder approach isn't right for you, maybe the coaches is the more tactical one that you want to pursue. I think our platform is best in breed as well. Our platform does allow for subscription and consumption management in a single pane of glass, allows you to extend access down through your end customers and even within those end customers down to specific roles and responsibilities at those end customers. I like to give an example of maybe a company that's got locations around the globe and IT departments associated with each one of those. Those different departments may only care about the solutions that they're consuming, the workloads that they're responsible for, and the specific budget that they're assigned. So you can limit the view down to that specific role and resource group and tagging, but you also have sort of a God view available where they can view budget, view billing, and take action on it and place orders on their own. So that sort of takes the burden of having to sell the solution and manage the sales portions for the partner and let them focus on the technical, focus on their actual superpowers and how they're going to deliver it. We have a pretty strong technical bench as well that can be used sort of as guns for hire in professional service or managed services engagement. Those services can also be, everything's 100% through partner. We don't do anything for end customers at all. So those services can be consumed on opportunity basis. You can buy blocks of hours. And if we're doing any sort of migrations or POCs for you, there's often ways that we can cover the costs associated with those. And we do have a very strong marketing and enablement bench. So from a marketing perspective, I think we may talk a little bit later based on some of the things Sherman and I have talked about in the past, but we do evaluate your marketing posture. We do have tools available to you to begin doing messaging to your customers with very little lift on your part at all. And we also have the ability to help you manage campaigns through either MDF or running them on your own. So I think in a nutshell, those are really strong ways that we help support the partner community.